Hey guys.
Hi, my name's Cotman Scottons.
Cotman, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the lads over there in that there camera. What's going on?
What's a camera?
What are you talking about?
Wait,
Well, you never heard of a camera then, lads?
Let me tell you what I knew about a camera, alright?
Call, come here, help me get
You're gonna
Cotman.
want her to get her aperture open, so you have
Alright.
to tell her things she'll like.
He's
for
having
instance.
another episode.
Wait a minute! Look at that dragon up there! Oh no!
Dragon, no.
Can you guys get loud for me? Guys, you gotta get loud so I can see if the compressor works. Get loud.
Dragon.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Fruit. Stop telling
Token
me what
just
to
gone.
do. You're the reason we lost Dink and the bag.
You're
That's
the reason
fucking
we
it,
lost
Con!
Stink.
That's
It
it!
was your fault we lost Stink.
I'm sick of you bullying me all the time!
I'm the captain.
That's it! Taste my blade! Yeah!
Oh, Fruit!
Yes, Fruit, do it again. Fruit, kill him. He lost Stink for us.
It's because of you I don't have my gnome buddy
Cotman
around.
glows red.
Kill him.
You have a voice in your ear, Fruit. One of a loved one is always the sweetest.
Alright, with that, I hope you guys enjoy the next episode. That's pretty much it. Alright, thanks.